In the heart of Lagos, where the city never sleeps and survival is an everyday negotiation, there lived a young woman named Amaka Okoro. People on Allen Avenue knew her face, but not her story. To most, she was just another girl on the street. To many, she was a shadow in red lipstick. But to herself, she was a prisoner of a life she never wanted. Amaka came to Lagos at 18, hoping for a better life. Her mother had died early. Her father disappeared. She grew up raising herself. In Lagos, she searched for work. But the city swallowed her whole. Bills piled up, landlords shouted, and hunger became her only companion.
Follow me. I will show you how to survive.
That night was the first time Amaka stood under neon lights, waiting for strangers. One night became 1 month. 1 month became 10 years. 10 years of pretending. 10 years of pain behind makeup. 10 years of being used, forgotten, and replaced. She smiled for customers. She cried when they left. She prayed, but never believed God still listened to someone like her. One rainy night in Victoria Island, everything changed. Amaka entered a client's car, an expensive SUV with tinted windows. But the man inside wasn't looking for pleasure. He was looking for violence. Within minutes, the situation turned ugly. He threatened her, he beat her, he dragged her out of the car. Amaka ran barefoot in the rain, bleeding, shaking, terrified. She stumbled into a gutter, too weak to stand. As thunder cracked over Lagos, she whispered,
God, if you can hear me, save me, I'm tired.
For the first time in a decade, she meant it. A woman named Pastor Ruth, returning from a night vigil, saw Amaka curled up by the roadside. She stopped her car, stepped into the rain, and lifted her out of the gutter. Amaka expected judgment. She expected disgust.
Instead, Pastor Ruth wrapped her in a shawl and said, "My daughter, you will not die here."
She took Amaka to her home, treated her wounds, fed her, and let her sleep for 2 days. No questions, no lectures.
When Amaka finally woke, Pastor Ruth prayed with her, not like a preacher, but like a mother.
Amaka broke down. 10 years of pain came pouring out. And in that living room, with swollen eyes and trembling hands, she surrendered her life to Jesus Christ. Not as a last chance, but as her only hope. The road to recovery wasn't easy. Amaka fought withdrawal from the nightlife. She battled memories that tried to pull her back. But Pastor Ruth and a small group of women walked with her. She joined a discipleship class. She read the Bible every morning. She learned how to pray with confidence. And slowly, the chains started breaking, one by one. The same girl who once sold her body on the streets was now standing in church, hands lifted, tears streaming, singing worship. People were shocked. Some didn't believe her. Some mocked her. But she didn't care anymore. She wasn't living for survival. She was living for purpose. 1 year later, Amaka started visiting brothels, not as a worker but as a messenger. She brought food. She brought clothes. She brought hope.
I was where you are, but God pulled me out. He can pull you out too.
Word spread quickly across Lagos. Her story went viral. Churches invited her. Women found healing through her testimony. Amaka became a counselor, helping girls escape trafficking and prostitution. She became a mentor, a leader, a voice, a servant of God. Today, Amaka Okoro walks the same streets that once enslaved her, but now she carries light into places filled with darkness. Her life is proof that no pit is too deep, no mistake too heavy, and no past too dirty for God to redeem. She was broken by the world, but rebuilt by grace. And the night she walked away was the night her destiny began.